Hello children, good morning to all. So children, in our today's class we will discuss about the topic relationship in MS Access in database. In today's class we will discuss about that what is relationship, what are the types of relationship and why we require this relationship. So first, what is relationship? Children, we discussed this MS Access from very beginning and there we discussed that we are creating the data we are maintaining the data in the form of tables. Why we are maintaining data in the form of tables? Because MS Access provides us the facility that when we require we can link these tables. So the linking of the tables, this term is known as relationship. This one is my table number 1, you will check, and this one is my table number 2. When we are linking these two tables, so this linking is known as, this term is relationship, that how we can link the table. Okay, means here I am having one student ID, I am having name of the children, here I am having student ID, here I am having class. So here ID field is common field in both the table. When these two table link, then new output, one new table will appear. The field in the new table is, first is ID, then your name, and then your class. So this is as output of these two table linking. So this linking is what type of linking we are using here. This term is known as relationship. Okay, what is the need of relationship? By relationship, by creating this, and it defined that how various tables are linked together. Okay, means when we are linking the table, the how these tables are linked. Next is decide the number of record in one table, how they are related, and that they are related to the other records of another table. So next is, it enable us that by this when we are linking the two tables, so it does not allow duplicacy there. I am creating one table and one table is here. When I link these two tables, new table will form, and here if I am doing any changes in this table, it will automatically update it there in the final table. Okay, now this term is known as relationship, and this relationship help us to avoid problem of redundancy, duplicacy allow nahi karta. If I am doing changes in any of the table and I connect that table with another table, so automatically that updation is done in the second table also. This is relationship possible because of relationship. And with this relationship, how it works, first you have to create separate tables in MS Access. Okay, one table is created, now start linking them with the relationship, what relationship you are using. And next is referential integrity must be enforced. Means there referential integrity, what it means, that it ensure that the information in one table matches the information in another table. It means that one table is here, one table is here, if these two tables are connected with this, and if I am doing any changes in table 1, it will automatically updated in table number 2. This thing is referential integrity. What referential integrity? It ensures that the information in one table matches the information in another table. Okay, means दोनों table की information match होनी चाहिए. This term is referential integrity. This thing is possible in when we are creating relationship. Now next we discuss the types of relationship. Children, here we are having three types of relationship. One is one to one to many, and many to many. Here one to many to many relationship. I will show you one example first. There you will check that this one is my example. I am having car company, I am having car model. Okay, so one company is having one car model. Okay, so this sort of relationship, अगर if same model is there, then model number change, car company name change. It means what type of relationship it have? It have one to one relationship. Okay, next one is one to many relationship. That one is, one doctor is there and doctor is associated with so many patients more than one are there. Okay, so that doctor deals with more than one patient. This sort of relationship is one to many, one to many. Okay, next one is many to many relationship. Here in many to many relationship we are having to record, one is your student and one is subject. When we are connecting, here you will check that student is connected to this subject table. Every student, so many students are there and so many subjects are there, so every student is connected to different subjects. So this sort of relationship is known as many to many. Okay, many to many. So one to one relationship is defined as 1 ratio 1. So this represent one to one relationship है. One to many relationship, one, then many, and many to many means many to many. Okay, in this manner we are representing. So one to one relationship, one car model is having one company as associated with it. One to many, one doctor is associated with or connected with many patients. And many to one, many is when many students are connected to many subjects. So this sort of relationship is many to many. Okay, so now we will move with the example. Here we will check one to one relationship. In one to one relationship, a row in a table A cannot have more than one matching column in row in table B. It means that I am having here, you will check one example is here. One is the student table, one is the student and class table. Here in student table we are having so many fields. Student class table we are having fields. Now here student admission number is primary key. Student admission number is primary key. When we are connecting these two table with this student admission number, the new table is generated student admission number, then first name, then last name, then address, city, all the fields of this table, then all the fields of this table, and then combination new table is generated. This is one to one relationship, that one field is connected to one field. Next one is one to many relationship. In one to many relationship, this you will check that in this relationship a row in a table A can have many matching record in table B, but a row in a table B can have only one matching record in table A. Here you will check, here is one table student in class, one table your student marks. Here student admission number primary key, we are connecting these two table. Now here every student is having one class and one section, but every student is having more than one term. Okay, so many exams are there, pre midterm, midterm, and then post midterm. So like this, that here every student is connected with different terms. So different terms is having different exams and different subjects containing so many values of the same child. So this sort of relationship is one to many. Children, next one is our many to many relationship. Here in many to many relationship, here you will check a row in table A can have many matching records, many matching rows in table B, and vice versa is also true. So such type of relationship is created by joining them, and third table is created. So this many to many relationship is like I show you example na, that one table is of a student table, one table is of subject table. So many subjects are there, so many students are there. So every student is reading all the subject. In the same manner, every subject is connected to all the students. So it means many to many relationship when two tables is that every record is connected to every other record of the table. So this sort of relationship is many to many. Next one is your referential integrity. What is referential integrity? It is a set of rules that ensure relationship between row in the related table are valid. Means that when we are creating two tables and we are linking these two tables, so if you are doing any change in table number 1, it will automatically update it in table number 2. This term is referential integrity, and this referential integrity help us in data redundancy, means duplicacy is not allowed. ऐसा नहीं होगा that one child is here is having different value or the same child is containing different value in this table. Okay, you are going there in railway station, you are going there for reservation. What you have seen that when you are going there and you are reserving any seat in any train, it will be automatically updated throughout the nation. This thing is because their database when their table in the database, they are connected with all the tables on throughout the nation. So this thing is possible with we can say referential integrity, कि if we are doing changes in one table, it will automatically updated in all the table. This will because referential integrity. Now this referential integrity enforce that you can cannot enter value in the foreign key column of the related table if the value does not exist in the primary key of the related table. Delete नहीं कर सकते without permission. We cannot change the value in the primary key of the table. So these are the few points that when you are creating referential integrity we have to follow. First is foreign key अगर हमारे उसमें है table में, we are not able to insert the value. Second is we cannot delete any row from a primary key table. And third is we cannot change any value of the primary key field. So these are the options. Now I will show you that how we can create this relationship. Practical work we will do later on. Children, how we can create. So first is you will create different tables. When you create different tables, you will open or you will select any table from navigation pane, and there is table tab. When you open any table, there is table tab, and when you are clicking on any table, this window will appear. Sorry, when you are clicking on any table, here in tables tab you will found this relationship option. When you are clicking on this relationship option, you found that this window will appear, and here in this window all the tables will appear. You will select the table जिसका relationship create करना है. Suppose I want to create the relationship between student and student mark. First you will select a student table, then click on add, then student and class, and then click on close. Means these two tables I have to link. Now your table is coming in this format. Here you will click, you want to link these two table with this student id admission number, है ना, that admission number is common, so I link these two table with this student admission number. So now what you have to do, you will select this student admission number from this table and then drag it and drop it and connect it with this table. When I am doing this connection, what will show, it will display this sort of linking, and this linking shows that you are connecting these two tables. And what sort of relationship is there? One to one relationship. Like this we are connecting one to many, and like this we are creating the table. Okay, so in this manner we are doing the relationship, and this practical work we will do later on. So thank you class for listening this. Thank you.